Alright guys, welcome back to the garage. We are working on the bike again. We are doing another upgrade. Probably another one of my favorite ones I've been wanting to do. So this probably will take a couple days because I'm still waiting on the parts. But I'm going to go ahead and take the bike apart because I'm not riding it for another week or so. That way I can have everything ready to go when the lights come in. Oh, I kind of spilled the beans, didn't I? Yeah. We found a set of like the Baja style headlights that we're going to put in this thing. We're going to get rid of the eyebrow piece, these headlights, and maybe this light bar. I'm not sure yet. I want to kind of see what it looks like with the other lights. So, but most likely we'll be getting rid of that light bar as well. So yeah, we're gonna take it apart for you guys. I'm not going to explain how to do it, but you'll see it on a time lapse, so and we'll come back when I get it apart. Alright, let me show you what we're doing. Get the front nose piece off. And this is what we're trying to get to, is the headlight, which is this bolt, this bolt. There's one there, and there's another one right back there for all this stuff. So what I'm hoping is I'll be able to keep my side lights. My vent lights, I'm not exactly sure. These are lights I have on mine, so we're going to pull these off first, I guess. Which we probably won't be able to unless we attach them to that somehow. So yeah, we'll pull it apart a little more, and then I'll come back. Alright, we made some progress. We got the headlight out. I am going to have to retrofit this thing back on there somehow, because they actually screw into the headlight. So yeah, well, you just two-part epoxy it onto there or something, I don't know. Put a nut plate in there, I don't know, we'll figure it out. But I was testing the electrical connector for the headlights, testing all the wire colors, which I figured out which color each does what on there. The black one is the ground, of course. The blue yellow right there is the low beam. High beam is the blue white, and the running light is red yellow. And you don't actually have to cut. Come on, stupid phone! Or I'm gonna throw this camera. There we go. But went through all the colors there. You don't actually have to cut this connector off. You can get a set of connectors. I got these off of Amazon. I will link them down below. You can do single connector all the way up to 4-pin, and the female version is the exact match to the male connector here. So I will not be cutting any wires on the bike harness. I will be wiring in that connector onto the lights when I get them, and then we'll just plug them into that. I already made the little wiring diagram, so I know what color does what. So when we get the lights, we can go from there. Looks kind of funny without the headlight, but we will come back in a few days. It's Sunday now. They're supposed to be here Wednesday, and I'm off this weekend, so I want to put them in before Sunday because that's a big toy run of the year, and I want to take it So we will see you guys probably on Wednesday or Thursday. Well, Thursday's Thanksgiving, so we'll cut back in a few days. What? You want to get a cookie? Go get one. Holy crap. Look at the size of this thing. Good God. Woo-wee. And alright, I'm going to come back and give you guys a little bit of an update real quick while I have time. By the way, happy Thanksgiving. It is Thanksgiving Day. Will not be working on the bike today, but I'm mainly waiting on parts for tomorrow. So, let me update you on what we got done. We got everything bolted onto the bike as far as the headlights go. I'm sorry I didn't film this process, but I had all my foster kids out here in the garage playing and stuff, so instead of blurring their faces, I just didn't film. Sorry about that. We'll go ahead and go over everything and show you what we got going on. So we got the yellow on and the white. We got it wired into the stock harness, which is right here. You can see the plug. I didn't cut the bike harness at all. I got these little prong or plug-in kits from Amazon. I'll put links and everything in the description. That's what that came from. It's actually the same plug as what's on the Harley. So just once you get your wires correctly in the right spot, just plug it in and they work just as normal. See, that's on. And then we got the running light, park mode, which is that. And they don't have a high and low beam, but they do have, see, that's the low beam right there, and then both of them is high beam, and you can still flash it. So I know it's not Baja Designs because I know they have the high and low option as far as high and low beam, but yeah, we're going to extend this video just a little bit because I'm adding some pod lights on the side where the turn signals used to be. I mean, there's still going to be turn signals, but they're going to be fog lights as well. I'm waiting on those to come in, and then I'll run the little harness. So we had to take the light bar off, finally. Well, we got to take it off. We're going to use the same harness from it to run the fog lights on the sides. It should be the same color as this, so hopefully it is. Yeah, and we will come back here and probably tomorrow and film some. We got a nice toy run coming up, so I want to get this done for that. So we will see you by tomorrow afternoon. And alright guys, welcome back. It's been a few days. I was able to finally get this thing back together and tested, all that good stuff. So now I'm bundled up because it decided to be like 40 degrees today, so it's chilly. I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like and everything. That's it all put back together. It's with the new headlights. I did add the new turn signals there and on the other side, but that's not going to be in this video. This video was just about the headlights. I think it looks really good. Show you how bright they are here. And things are, yeah, stupid bright. So, yeah. very pleased with this upgrade. It's not, I know it's not Baja Designs, but you know, it's what I could afford, so yeah. If you guys want to hear, if you guys want me to kind of like do a walkthrough on how I did these fog lights as turn signals, I will do that in a separate video. So yeah, they turned out great. They look just as good as the Baja Designs for half the price. So I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.